What is up, guys? Today we're gonna be reviewing the top 5 funny monkeys. Coming in at number 5, we have the monkey spinning on a branch. This looks very fun. I would like to try it out for myself. This monkey is pretty funny. I would rate it a 7 out of 5 on the monkey scale. Now at number 4, we have the spinning gorilla. The gorilla is technically not a monkey, but we'll accept it for this video. The spinning monkey, or rather ape, is said to reach a velocity of 4,000 kilometers an hour per square meter, which is roughly around 2 kilos per inch. There is nothing too special about this video, except the funny monkey, so I would rate this on the scale a 7 out of 5. In this video, which is number 3, we see Frank. Frank is a well-known funny monkey as he gained fame from the meme. In this video, we can see him walking on stilts while wearing an icy chain with big boy diamonds. The legend says he spent 15 racks on the shoes, so a man can only wonder how many bands he spent on the chain. I would rate this monkey a 13.37 out of 420 on the funny monkey scale. This is a monkey that most people will recognize. He is the monkey that gets a fresh cut. It is said that when he left the barber, he instantly got 5 hot males in your area. There's not much more that can be said, because I guess most of you already know this video by heart. But out of the monkey scale, I would rate this one a number. I would guess that none of you are surprised that the original funny monkey wins. This monkey is among the most well known. Personally, this is one of my role models, since in my life I am the Offerkofta, and this monkey inspires me to go outside in the snow. The monkey seems to have a loving carer slash mother, something that I never knew. This monkey is very funny, and you can tell that he is very happy in the video. Congratulations to Funny Monkey, Jeff. On the monkey scale, I would put this a 10 out of 10. That wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Have a good one.